Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new, my name is Robin, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about essential oils. In a recent video, I share with you what I've been learning about the dangers of synthetic fragrance. And since learning those things, I'm trying to eliminate as many of them as possible in our home. But I'm having a good time replacing them with essential oils, and I have some fun DIY recipes to share with you today, and a new company that I've discovered called Simply Earth, which is a great source for pure essential oils at a very affordable price. Since discovering Simply Earth, they have become my favorite source for essential oils, and I couldn't wait to share them with you guys. Not only are their oils tested to be 100% pure, but they are also very affordable. If you are already using essential oils, you will know that it is not unusual to spend around $30 for a bottle of oil from a reputable brand. You will spend less than half of that at Simply Earth for the same high-quality oils. Another amazing thing about this company is that they share 13% of their profits with organizations who help combat human trafficking. They have a huge variety of single oils plus custom blends, and I know you guys will love using them as much as I do. All of their oils can be ordered individually, or for some fun, you can try out their recipe box, which is a monthly subscription plan. I just received the March recipe box, and it contains 4 essential oils: blood orange, amaryllis, coriander, and their blend called Digest. And all of the recipes and accessories that are included help you make some really fun DIYs that are all geared towards wellness. Each month's recipe box comes with a different theme and includes 4 essential oils, recipe cards, and everything you need to make them. Each kit is valued at over $150, but their price is just $39 per month. And when you start your subscription with Simply Earth, you will receive this bonus box, and it contains essentials that you'll need for blending oils and making some of the recipes like beeswax, coconut oil, almond oil, and fractionated coconut oil, which are great carriers, plus roller balls and vials. Be sure to use my referral link in the description box below to access the Simply Earth website. If you are interested in starting a subscription and receiving a recipe box, you can use my code FAITHANDFLOURFREE, and you will receive a $20 gift card on your first purchase or your next box. And now I'm excited to show you how I created some of the recipes from this month's box. One of the easiest and most effective ways to use essential oils is to diffuse them, and the recipe for Mood Lifting Diffuser Blend is just 3 drops of blood orange essential oil and 1 drop of coriander essential oil. You can create a master blend by filling a 5 milliliter blend bottle that comes with your bonus box with 90 drops of the blood orange and 30 drops of the coriander. That way you will have it on hand anytime you need some mood lifting. This blend does smell amazing. It is so citrusy, bright, and uplifting. This next recipe I'm going to show you is Magnesium Sleep Spray. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of the included magnesium flakes in a half cup of boiling distilled water. In a small separate bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of the fractionated coconut oil, 6 drops of blood orange essential oil, and 4 drops of amaryllis essential oil. I found the amaryllis oil to be very thick and slow to come out, so just be patient. Stir all of the ingredients well, and then pour them into the spray bottle. Just shake the bottle and spray 2 to 5 sprays on your sheets before heading to bed. I found that the scent was very light, and the magnesium definitely helps you get a good night's sleep. Your recipe box will also come with really cute stickers to label everything that you make, but I actually really like this spray bottle plain. I think it looks so pretty sitting on my dresser, and it's there ready for me to use each night before I go to bed. To make Digest Roll-On, just add 10 drops of Digest Essential Oil to a roll-on bottle. Fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil, gently swirl to mix, and then apply to your pulse points to relieve nausea, bloating, and gas. The last recipe I'm going to show you is the Sickness Support Bath Soak, and I think this one is going to be my favorite. In this small bowl, I'm just combining 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil with 3 drops of Amaryllis Essential Oil and 2 drops of the Digest Essential Oil blend. Then in this jar, I just added 2 tablespoons of the magnesium flakes with a half a cup of Epsom salt, and then I added the oils to that. Then just stir in 2 tablespoons of the dried lavender, and it's ready to use. You can pour the entire contents into a warm bath while the water is running to help relax, relieve nausea, or calm an upset digestive system. These bath salts smell so good, and they couldn't come at a better time. At this time of the year when everybody is fighting off colds and flu, this could really come in handy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I hope you'll check out Simply Earth using my referral link below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Have a great week, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.